Hi besties, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a super calm, relaxing get ready with me. Sit back and relax. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna go in with my cleanser. It's my gel cleanser from Glowy. Okay, first I gotta get my skin wet. Bless me. So sticky and cleansing. It's actually insane. I love the gel cleanser because it really smooths your face a lot. Now I'm gonna rinse. Brush, always pat. And it takes too long. You can definitely brush, but brush and pat. It's so smooth. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Okay, now that we're done with our gel cleanser. Okay, we don't talk about that. Next, we have our balancing mist to get my face a little less sticky. I'm just gonna spray like 3 or 5. I don't know how many that was, but I'm just trying to get my face less sticky. My face is still so sticky. Okay, now we're gonna have to do a lot of brushing because this isn't working.
I'm just gonna spray like 3 or 5.
Okay, let's move on from our bounce back balancing this. Next, this mixed with this, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this after this. So first we're gonna put our hydrating moisturizer, pump, little flower, by the way, don't mind because I lost the top to this, so please. Now we're done with these, and then I'm gonna use this. A little water cream. Moisturizer! It's not a flower. Wait. Okay, please. Oh, dang it. It's not a flower. It's fine. I'm like drippy. It's kind of dripping everywhere. Okay, we gotta wipe the excess because my face is getting so, like, yeah, producty. Now, we're gonna use this our glow recipe. We're gonna use this, and then I'm gonna use this again to mix with these 3. Pump, and then why? This is supposed to be quiet and relaxing ASMR, and it keeps like. Tell me if you have some of these products. Put in the comments what you use for your skincare routine. Oh, this is gonna be so wet, I can tell. Oh, yeah, this is gonna get very messy. It's like wet mixed with the wet mixed with the wet. I made a wrong choice, bro. Gotta remove the excess. Since we're done with all this, we're gonna put it away. Okay, a lot is going on right now. What is happening with my makeup drawer? Okay, wait, refrigerator. So now I got our water side hydrating boosting serum, hyaluronic acid and pectins. Never heard of that, but I'm pretty sure it's not for your face. I don't really know. Oh. never put this on. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this on and then put it on this side. It's so refreshing, girl. I'm gonna put some of my mist at the end too. Now we're done with this. We're gonna put this on again for a little done refresher, like a skincare setting spray. Now we're just gonna wait for that to dry. Yeah, I gotta organize this real quick. Now to finish it off, we're gonna put some of this lip gloss. And then that's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos, and hit that notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Bye! Mwah.